Hey guys, it's your boy Wallace, the Nomad Recruiter. I travel the world and make places for a living. If you guys don't know me by now, I make a lot of videos on YouTube helping people getting their agencies off the ground. If you're looking to start a staffing and recruiting agency, make sure you check my website at nomadrecruiters.com. You can book a coaching call with me. But today we're going to be talking about how recruiters make commission at the end of the day. So guys, I want to talk to you about how to make money in the recruiting space at the end of the day. So listen, when it comes to permanent deals. This is full-time direct hire roles, which is often referred to recruiting. We usually charge percentage based off of the candidate's salary. So hypothetically, if you're working on a senior software engineer position or a C++ developer role, maybe the job is paying $100,000. And we would go about charging a client 20% based off of the percentage of that salary. So we would make $20,000 off of that $100,000 deal. Now it's amazing with the money potential that you can make in recruitment. Imagine closing 5 of these a month. I mean, you're rolling to the bank every day. But it takes time and you need to properly learn how to recruit. When it comes to pricing yourself and fees, you are competing with other agencies. So we do see sometimes other agencies pricing themselves at a more competitive, rate to compete with some of the giant companies or other companies at the end of the day. Always learn how to negotiate your rates depending on the niche that you specialize in at the end of the day. When it comes to staffing as well, you usually get a residual income from the staffing deals that you're doing when it comes to building up your contractor book. So you could be making sometimes anywhere from 75 to 150 or even $200 per hour on your candidate, at the end of the day, depending on the job that you're working in. It can be per hour sometimes, and it also can be per day. Staffing is based off of the days that your contractor work as well. So it's extremely important to understand the difference between full-time direct hire commission and staffing commission. Often in the full-time direct hire roles, the permanent positions where we get a one-off payment, those are one and done deals. You put somebody to a job for a full-time employee and you walk away from the deal. With staffing, you're usually getting a paycheck bi-weekly or monthly at the end of the day, but it's only built around how long that contractor stays in the job. Okay. So that is something to think about as you're trying to build up that contractor book. You have to build the book up, and that means like you need to have a lot of people working under your contract book to really start seeing the potential and the money opportunity as well. It's so much commission out here. And I get a lot of people always asking me, well, if I'm working for an agency, how much commission should I be making? And that's usually what a lot of recruiters call me and join my program at nomadrecruiters.com because they find themselves in a situation where they're being underpaid and undervalued and they're doing all the work at the end of the day. They're not getting the proper commission. Often, what I'm seeing with a lot of agencies these days, they're charging anywhere from 5 to maybe 7%. That's how much they're paying out commission, and salaries range from $50 to $75,000. But if you work for an agency and you just made 200 grand in under 6 months, you got to ask yourself, should I be working for a company or should I be working for myself? Now, what I think is fair is anywhere from the 30 to 50%. And sometimes what companies do when it comes to the commission, they'll do a 30 to 50% payout based off of how much you bill for the company. So let me give you an example. So hypothetically, you're working for a recruitment agency and you bill over $300,000. That's when that 30 or 50% payout may take effect based off of how much you earn within that certain month or potentially within that certain quarter. So there's a lot to learn about recruitment commission, guys. If you love this content, I need you to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, share my videos, comment below on some of the topics you want me to talk about, and let me know if you enjoy this content. If you're looking to get your recruiting agency off the ground, book a call with me today. You can check out the links below. Go check out my website at nomadrecruiters.com where I have real names, real people, no Lambos, no mansions. I only want to work with the go-getters, the people who are ready to take action at the end of the day. I can't wait to see you soon, and thanks again.